Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing great for today. So, before we start, I would like to ask if everything and everyone is complete. All right, so everyone's complete. So, everyone, I want you to listen carefully and, of course, um, be attentive. And I want all of you to cooperate to our event right now. All right. So for our event, this is seminar. So I need all of you to cooperate, like I said before. All right. So before we start, may I ask if everyone is okay? All right. Everyone is okay. And of course, our appearance. All right. Make sure our nails is cut. All right. Hairnets and of course complete uniform. All right. I saw all of you is complete uniform. Very good. So let's proceed to our first discussion before we start our event. So for our kitchen, all right, I will assign you Mr. Kevin. All right, Mr. Kevin, make sure that all of our stocks and products is available. All right, and of course after that complete all of the um, products to serve. Make sure that all of the stocks is you tracking them in inventory, of course, and then after that you can use to properly arrange it to first in and first out, of course, to avoid our food contamination, and of course the expiring date. So less hassle for you, and of course our services, and then to our complaints. All right, did you get it? Okay. Next, for our tables and chairs. For our tables and chairs, I will assign Mr. Charles and Darren. All right, Mr. Charles and Mr. Darren. I will assign to our tables and chairs. For our tables and chairs, um, the capacity will be 80. Yes, 80 chairs, and by 80 chairs into uh, cabaret types. All right, and I know that you already know it, so you can arrange it properly in a nice way. And of course, don't forget to make the tables and chairs are aligned with each other. So when the guests are arriving, um, they will see where's their proper tables and chairs. And of course, I will lead later on the our receptionist. All right. And then, like I said, where's Aldrin, Miss Aldrin and Miss Grace? All right. You will be assigned to our receptionist. All right. Your one most importantly job is to check our guests and of course our VIPs. I know that you you knew it, so you can perform it very well like before, Miss Aldrin and Miss Grace. And then I want you to help each other and cooperate with each other if the guests will arrive, and then just monitor them, track them, and assist them in proper way, and of course proper greeting to assist them to their designated tables and chairs. All right, and of course our host or assistant, yes, Miss Daniela. All right, Miss Daniela, I want you to be formal, and of course have a gentle mindful when just make sure that your mic, your the cameras and the music is set up and prepared. All right, so you know what? You're one of the most important. All of you is important, but Miss Daniela, you're one that that need to be accurate and so on. Um, when you're talking, because the crowd is listening to you. So be actively and be confident. Be ready later on. All right, and of course you can do it. Okay. So for your assistant, Miss um Miss Melissa, Miss Melissa, all right, Miss Melissa, please assist Miss Daniela. Yeah, Miss Daniela, Miss Melissa is your host assistant for later on. All right. You don't need to speak several times. Just announce um, safety reminders, our precautions, all right, our food and our buffet at the side. So the guests will confident and um, they will knew they will know what they will can do in that event. All right. So Miss Melissa, I want you to assist Miss Daniela later on while she is speaking, and I want you to assist her like what she said so she can perform it easily without hassle. All right. Thank you so much. And then for our maintenance, yes, for our maintenance, Miss Aliyah. Yes. Miss Aliyah, I want you to please cooperate all of those stations. I want you to I want you to supervise them. I want you to check them and monitor them at time by a time. All right, if their station is clean. So if you don't if you don't have a mess that you will need to clean, you can help them. All right, just make a proper communication with them, so they know their tasks. But there, there's unexpected situations sometimes that they need a help. So I want you to help them if they really need it. So, and of course, make sure that all of the station is clean, sanitized, and make sure that those places are in a proper way. All right, did you get it? Thank you so much. And then, lastly, of course, that's all for that's all for our discussion. All right. So, do you have any questions? None. All right. So, for our guests, for our guests is 60 packs, and make sure that all of the tables, chairs is arranged, well, well designed, well decorated, and of course, the most important for the setup is where's Mr. Vincent and Fiona? Okay, Mr. Vincent and Miss Fiona, I want you to um, coordinate to each other so you can set up the screen, most importantly the screen or projector, the music setup especially. So while Miss Daniela is speaking, just make sure to maintain the balance of the high and low. You know that what I mean. So um, you can make each other's um, doing your jobs in a nice way. All right. So Mr. Vincent, please make a little more decorate to our screen. Um I think balloon is good. But don't over decorate. Alright? You know what I mean? I mean is not a very boring or to become our event is seminar. All right, is become boring. You know what I mean. So Miss Fiona, your priority is the music. So after that, Mr. Vincent set up the screen. Miss Fiona, um, just make sure that all of our speakers, wires, and other connectors is prepared. Alright, so that's it for our briefing for our seminar later on. That's all, everyone. So I would like to thank you for all your cooperations and listening. Alright, do you have any questions? And alright. So good luck, everyone. So I hope our um, event will be successful later on. So that's all. Thank you so much.